If you've got a sweet tooth, then this video is just for you. The Chili Fry brothers present to you the sweet and lovely buns straight from the house of Poder here in Mumbai. So stay tuned as we show you how this delicious and yummy and gooey and chocolatey dessert is made. It all begins with all-purpose maida, or what we call flour. That's the key dry ingredient. But now we move on to the wet ingredients. First the molten butter, then some fast rising dry yeast. After that we also add a whole lot of sugar to add that right amount of sweetness to make you happy and sweeten your day. Whisk it all together before you add a whole lot of, well, not whole lot of, a cup of milk. And then you give it another lovely whisk all together before adding the last and final wet ingredient, which is the vanilla essence. Make sure not to add too much, just the right amount, otherwise it will be overpowering. Now it's time to mix it all together. We can use a planetary cake mixer just as they do at the house of Poder, or you can use your hands, but then you'd get muscles just as big as mine. It's all ready and all that's left is to punch it out. Punch it why, you ask? Well, to remove all that excess air that is there right in between. Once you remove it, you pat it all together into a nice lovely round ball and keep it to rise. Typically 45 minutes should be just about fine, but don't forget to add some olive oil on top just to keep it shining just as you are. Cover it with some cling film and we are all set to go. See you in 45 minutes time. Okay, 45 minutes done. We roll it into a chapati size and then you cut it into smaller pieces. Round pieces should be fine. So we have cut it into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 8 should come quite easily along with this recipe. Now it's all ready to be set on the platter before we deep fry it. Well, you'd realize that this dough is very similar to that of a donut and it's fried. So to know if it's ready to be fried, just look at its sizzle. If it's sizzling, that means it's ready to be fried. We have added them all together and now it's time to overturn. Soon they'll be nice and brown and that's when you know it's ready. It'll be soft on the inside but crispy on the outside. To add the right amount of sweetness, you just dip it in caster sugar, a whole lot of caster sugar, which just about envelopes it in the right way. This is going to make it nice and sweet and leave that sweetness in your mouth for just the right amount. Well, you've done the base preparation, which is preparing the sweet buns. Now to take it to the next level altogether, you make a nice long hole. You can use a large toothpick or you can use a thin fork or a knife. We suggest a toothpick, and then we have added something known as custard. It's the thing which you have to have when you are small, but it so complements this dessert. Add a whole lot of it. I believe you me, each bite has a whole lot of custard right in it. We have added custard to each of these and this is how it looks like. Well, we are yet to plate it, but not before I show you the other unique variety is the Nutella flavor. Lots and lots of Nutella on top of the sweet buns for all you chocolate lovers. A perfect end to a perfect meal once you order at House of Poder. To take the Nutella sweet buns to the next level, you add some hazelnuts on top. A fair amount of hazelnuts. It gives the right texture and the right taste. And since it's Christmas season, you've got to add those sprinkles. Looks delightful, doesn't it? We are also adding a few more sprinkles to the custard buns which I just covered a while back. The sweet buns at the house of Poder is now ready. It's time for you to order and enjoy this lovely desserts just as the Chili Fry brothers did when we visited. Stay subscribed, stay safe, stay happy, stay eating.